Even though the Samsung Galaxy S25 series hasn't even hit stores yet, there are rumors of its successor. The Galaxy S26 series is already creating a lot of excitement, and I promise you that what's about to happen will astound you. This phone, which is anticipated to emerge in early 2026, has the potential to revolutionize mobile technology, starting with its design. Consider a Galaxy S26 Ultra with extremely small bezels. They are simply undetectable. The S25 Ultra's slender 1.52mm bezels initially astounded us, but concept renders hint at something considerably slimmer. Samsung will totally rethink what a flagship phone should look like if it manages to get a nearly 7-inch display without the bulk. According to rumors, Samsung is developing a revolutionary front camera called an AR display camera. Yes, a smooth, continuous display will replace punch-hole cutouts. They believe Samsung may postpone this because there are still issues with under-display cameras, particularly with regard to selfie quality. Therefore, will Samsung take the risk or will they wait for technology to catch up? With the Exynos 2600 for the S26 range, Samsung is making a significant comeback. It is based on state-of-the-art technology and promises a 25% increase in power efficiency, a 12% performance gain, and a smaller footprint. Things get crazy now with the camera upgrades. There are reports that the Galaxy S26 Ultra may have an incredible 324-megapixel camera. Your zoom images will have detail because that is more than twice as much as the 200-megapixel sensor on the S25 Ultra, and the telephoto lens is anticipated to include a 200-megapixel sensor as well. Let's now discuss battery life. There are rumors that the S26 Ultra will have a huge 5,500 mAh battery, which is a big departure from the existing 5,000 mAh standard. Add Samsung's latest Exynos chip to that. Additionally, your phone is supposed to last longer and charge more quickly than it has in the past. Perfect for outdoor use, the S26 Ultra boasts a sleek titanium frame and a display that can reach 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Imagine being able to use your phone without squinting at the screen in direct sunlight. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.